Admit it. You too imagine how to be able to generate a steady stream of income without having to put in hours of work every day. Well, you're lucky to have watched this video for today. I will be showing you another way to earn passively in the comfort of your homes. Only that this time, we will make use of UPDF. Now, what exactly is UPDF, and what does it do? UPDF is a cost-effective alternative to Adobe Acrobat, offering many features at a fraction of the price. It is a comprehensive AI-integrated PDF solution with full edit, annotate, convert, OCR, protect, sign, and generative AI features. It's compatible with all platforms: Windows, Android, Mac OS, iOS, and iPad OS, making it a fierce competitor to Adobe Acrobat. This innovative platform is one of the best ways to make money online, and it's available worldwide. The best part is that you can use UPDF on both your mobile phone and computer, making it incredibly convenient. With the use of UPDF, you can earn $20 every 10 minutes on complete autopilot, and that is our focus for today. But before that, you might ask what's good about this tool to earn digits from it. What are the features of UPDF? First, edit PDFs. With its comprehensive PDF editing tools, you can effortlessly modify text, tweak images, insert comments, signatures, and seamlessly organize your PDF documents. Whether it's a minor correction or a major overhaul, editing PDFs has never been easier. What I'm personally excited about is that you can now take full control of your PDF content by editing elements with precision and ease. Whether it's refining text, adjusting images, incorporating new visuals, or creating hyperlinks within the document, tailor your PDFs to meet your exact specifications effortlessly. Second, AI integration. You can elevate your PDF experience with UPDF AI integration, enabling advanced functionalities such as summarization, explanation, writing assistance, and seamless translation. In addition, you can also make use of the cutting-edge AI capabilities for enhanced clarity and comprehension. Third, annotation tools. This tool enhances collaboration and comprehension with a set of annotation tools at your disposal. From sticky notes for reminders to text highlighting, strike-through for revisions, and underlining for emphasis, annotate your PDFs effortlessly to convey your ideas effectively. Fourth, OCR technology. OCR, optical character recognition. Technology is what makes AI tools advanced, and good thing that UPDF offers that too. Its use is to convert scanned images into editable and searchable text, ensuring that no content is inaccessible or overlooked due to its format. Fifth, protect PDF. Security and privacy has to be the main concern in digital documents. With UPDF, you can safeguard your sensitive information and maintain confidentiality by securing your PDFs with robust password protection. With this, you can control the access to your documents and ensure that only authorized individuals can view or modify the content. Now that we're done familiarizing UPDF, let's then learn how to make use of it. Here's the steps. How? Step 1. Visit the UPDF website. Go to your browser and simply type in UPDF. After the results are given, click on the first link to be directed to this page here. Judging by the appearance and even the choice of color palette, it's a no-brainer. This website here won't disappoint. Step 2. Join the UPDF affiliate program. To join the affiliate program in UPDF, simply click on Resources and select the Affiliate Program option. By joining the UPDF affiliate program, you can earn a 30% commission on every sale. This could potentially lead to earning $20 every 10 minutes in passive income. The program includes 30-day session cookies, which means that if someone purchases a UPDF subscription within 30 days of clicking your affiliate link, you will still receive a commission. Step 3. Promote your affiliate link. Of course, what will make you earn more is promoting your generated link to a greater audience. But before promoting your link, you have to familiarize yourself with UPDF's features. You can download the UPDF app to your computer or mobile device, install it, and log into your account. After learning about UPDF's features, search for graphic designers on Google. Visit various websites to gather their contact information, such as email addresses. Then, compose an email about UPDF, emphasizing its benefits and including your affiliate link. For assistance in drafting your email, you can use ChatGPT. By following these steps, you can start making money every 10 minutes using UPDF. Don't forget to like this video and check out our other uploaded videos too. Thank you for watching.